How to create a PIN for Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. The best way to get yourself a PIN for your Milestone Credit Card is to contact the Concora Credit, which is the issuer of the card. In order to do so, you can call the Concora Credit customer service and find the phone number on the back of your Milestone card, or you can use the general customer service number, that is 1-800-305-0330. Inform the representative that you would like to request a PIN for your Milestone credit card. They will likely ask you some of the security questions to verify your identity. You will then receive your PIN via mail within a few business days. Make sure to never share your PIN to anyone or mistakenly even forward your PIN that you receive in the mail from the Concora Credit customer service. That has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.